Hello everyone. How are you guys? Everything's okay? Guys, I sent my link from YouTube, okay? On the Telegram. You can watch me on YouTube. You can send a message on the chat. Alright? Let's wait a few minutes before I start. Hello guys. Hi James, sir. How are you? I'm great, man. And how about you, Bayan? Hello, Jen. JM's Gaming. Everything's okay? Yep. Very good. Oh, nice. If you have any question, just let me know, okay? Just let me know. Hello, Jane. Hello, Emiri. How are you? Okay. Let's try to trust on the trend. If not, I use the Gale. Let's see what's happening here with 1 minute chart. Oh, this is the best option for you right now, Jan Gaming. Okay. I really recommend that you use that for 2 weeks before to start your real account or make your first deposits, alright? First, you need to learn how to copy the signals, how to understand the indicators, how to work this broker, alright? And after that, you start to use your accounts. You are in the right way, okay? I am benefiting a lot from two things. Thank you, million. Oh, I'm really glad you to hear this word, Janie. I'm so happy to know that. All right. Oh, good. I don't know how to use the Gale. Yeah, thank you. You don't know how to use the Gale? January. 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 Very nice. Oh, Philippines. So now it's for you is 6 p.m. Right? Very nice. Oh, look at that, man. 5 p.m. Jane, to use the Gale, for example, let's go. I perform an entry right here exactly at 6.5, right? With $20. Okay? And we need to wait for this. We need to follow up the results, alright? Just to wait if it will be necessary to use the martingale. Right? If it will be necessary, I just be prepared for the time 6:10. Okay? That is the time when we will finish my first entry. Alright? 6:5 to 6:10. Alright? If I lost my first entry, I need to double up this amount to $4. Alright? And let's try again. If I lost my first martingale, I need to double up again my amount to $8 and wait for the results. Alright? So this is the way how to use the martingale. This is very good. So now, this for sure you need to use that because this is starts to create a reverse and not respecting the trend. I hate so much when this happens. Okay? But it's okay. And right now, look at that. If I win this on this pair, this is the profit that I'm gonna win. If I double up this amount to $4, 36.40. Just let me wait for this. I need to wait for 6:10, but 1 second before the exact time, 59. Alright? So when the mark 6:9, I click on the button. Right? 1 second before the exact time. So right here, 36.40. Right? So I will recover my $20 that I lost my first entry with a plus 16. Okay? Alright. If I lost my first in Gale, I double up my amount, $8. I will make a profit 728. Alright. I will recover my $20 and my $4, my first in Gale, and make a profit $12.08. Alright. So this is the recover money, and this is the profits. Alright. You got this? So this is the best way to use the martingale. Okay, this was my first entry, but I lost this. I need to double up to $4, and right now we are here on this second session or second operation. Okay, with $4. If we win this in a total 36, we recover my $20 and make plus of 1640. Very good. If not, I'll try to double up again and try to recover this with the second gale. Because that is strategy so good. Okay? It's very good. We use to minimize our risks. And recover our money lost. It's a good strategy to use. Because I let all my signals make up to gales. Okay? If you have a minimal value in your roll bank, for example, $5 or $10, it's very difficult to use this, right? With $5, you cannot use. You're just gonna use one gale. If you lost this, you're gonna lose your money. With $10, it's very risks. It's minimal, but you can use two gales. No, two no. You need to make a deposit with $12 to make two gales. 12. 1, 2, 4, 7. No. $14 is the minimal value for you. Try to use two gales. Alright? And how to make two entries to perform this. Okay? So the best option for you try is $14 in the minimal value to try to use that. Oh my god. Come on, baby. Stay above of this shit. Oh yeah. Woo! So right here this respect the trend. Move back respecting the trend. Alright. So this is the martingale. Very good. So now let's get back to my group. Let's introduce myself. Alright. So for the beginners, guys, I'm James Martin. I've been working on Smart for a long time. And all my experience, all my knowledge, I want to share with you. Because of that, I'm trying and I was think about to create this group. And now I have this group to try to help you to make an extra money. Alright? I'm trying to do my best every day. I send my signals for the morning, afternoon, evening, night. Alright? And for you, if I'm new here, the first step you need to perform is click on the link on a pinned message right here and watch this video. Right? On this video, I teach you how to create your first account. You need to use the best mail, the best password for you. Just click on this link, right? And this you let for you on the broker to box option, right? How to make your first deposit that you're gonna win 50% that box option release for us. This promo code 50 start for you win 50% on your first deposit, only on your first deposit. Because think about it before to make your first deposits. Because of that, I really recommend you to use that one. That you're gonna win $50,000 on your demo account or practice accounts. Alright? This is good opportunity for you to be more confident, to gain more experience, to practice and copy all the signals that I send. Alright? So try to use that first for a week, 2 weeks is up to you. And after that, try to make your first deposits. Why I said that? Because of that. Okay? For your first deposits, for you win this promo code, the 50 starts, you need to perform the minimal value $50. For your win $25 in a total 75. Alright? So this is excellent opportunity for you and this is real good. Right? For you create your account, just click on this link or this right here. Okay? This is the link for my support if you want to talk with me, if you have any question, any comments, if you want that I'm showing a something strategy, a new strategy or something like that, just let me know, send a message. Don't hesitate to do that. Alright? So this is the opportunity. After that, I teach you how to configure your account, to copy the signals, and I get a video on my YouTube channel that I explain of all my indicators here. Okay? Oh, this is a good one, guys. This is for sure. We'll keep going on down, right? This is an engulfment candle. This candle has this space. I use the lower button on it. Look at that. When I click on the button, every 1 second before the exact time, look at that, the precision. Okay? Your secrets are the best, James. You and your team are the best. Thanks so much for your constant. Oh my god. Thank you so much, Emery. I'm really happy to read these words, man. I don't have any words to glad you. I thank so much. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much, so much, so much. Oh, look at that. For now, this is respecting the trend. So good for us. So as I said, guys. So let's get back to the group, right? Just let me open my smartphone. All right. So let's move on. So as I said, oh my God, what the fuck? This right here. I got example here, right? Hello, brother. How are you? Hello, Hashan. It's past a few days that I saw you. How have you been passed for these days, man? Everything's okay? Indicators you use in your tube. Yeah, I will show you. Okay. So now, guys, this is brief way here. This is example that the signal that I send, alright? Time zone. The first thing you need to configure this, it changed to UTC-3, alright? You need to identify the pair. We have signals with OTC and without OTC. So pay attention on it, alright? Let me try to find someone here. Right here. This is don't have. There is no OTC in front of the pair, right? This one, okay? And that one with OTC. This one with OTC. So pay attention on it, alright? The only difference between them, all the signals that I send with OTC is for closed markets. This one just gonna work on the pocket option. The signals without OTC you can use in another brokers. Pocket option, IK option, Cortex, Optionary, Binola. Alright? But as my analysis is for the chart on proc option, I recommend you to use on it. Oh, wonderful. It's very good. Not necessary to use the martingale. Very good. Alright? So pay attention when I have OTC and without OTC. Okay? The higher and lower button is the green and red button. Alright? And this is exactly time. As I said, every signal that I send, try to click on the button 1 second before the exact time. Right? For this one is 5:35. Try to click on it 5:34, 59 seconds. Okay? Pay attention every on the seconds. Right? 59 seconds. For first entry, for your first martingale and the second martingale. Every time that you try to perform an operation to make an entry, click 1 second before. Okay? Now you already know our operations will have 5 minutes of duration. So this is a secret for you. Alright? And this is the martingale that I showed you a few minutes ago. Alright? How to use that. I use my first operation on the live as example for that one. 5:35 to 5:40, 5:40 to 5:45, and 5:45 to 5:50. If you try to perform your first entry with $10, you just need to double up to $20 for your first martingale. If you lost your first martingale, double up again to $40 and try the second martingale. If you lost your second martingale, you need to stop there, take a breath, think about it. If you already hit your stop loss, if not, try again how to identify a good pair for you. This is make worth to make an entry, all right? And try again. If not, stop for the day. Just have a student, right? How to analyze the chart, how to use a new indicator, and try again tomorrow. All right? Oh, yes. Okay, thanks, bro. Thanks for help others. God bless you, sir. God bless you too, Artek. Thank you so much, man. Really appreciate it. I am following your strategy, and I'm successful. Oh, very good, Julian. I'm so happy, man. You won anywhere and see in looking? No. Yeah, yes or before I lost my two entries. I tried to perform two entries and I lost both. Yesterday we got a draw, 1-1. All right. Unfortunately, I lost, and the crypto that watch me, that follow me, I lost with him. I'm so sorry about that. Because I don't like to lose this, because when I lost, someone can try to copy the send signal that I try here, and you're gonna lose too. I don't like that, right? But it's okay sometimes. And for this one, the pairs with OTC, sometimes when I have good analysis, the chart will be against you, right? This is for the broker, I don't know. Without OTC, all the pairs try to follow the market, and with OTC trying to follow the broker. Because, as I said, Friday 6 p.m. to Monday, right? Friday, Saturday, Sunday, it's very hard for us, all right? Because the market is so stable, because we only have pairs with OTC. Okay? But thank you so much. I'm trying to do my best every day just to help you. Alright? So let's keep it here. So the first thing that I said, configure the time zone, right? To do that, just go to broker. If you are using the computer, this is very fast. Just click on this gear icon, time zone, unselect the automatic detection, and find off OTC-3. Just select that, your page will reload, and you are able to see the OTC-3 outside on the time right here, right on the left side of the top. After that, the time, just let all your operations to M5, or you can use the flag. It's the same thing, but use plus M5. The only difference between them, for example, right now, this is the time, 6:31. All right. If I perform an entry right now, depends of the time on here. This will finish exactly at 6:35. All right. So if I try to make an entry right now, this operation will finish in 3 minutes. If I change this to clock, all the operations will have 5 minutes and periods. With that, all the operations will finish on this time here, independent on the clock. Alright? So pay attention on it. Try to pay attention on it. Because this time just gonna change it to 6:40 when the time here mark the exactly time 6:34:55 seconds. Okay. If you try to make a gale 6 seconds before the time, if you have a misclick, your gale will finish the same time of your first operation. And you'll lose your first operation, and you're gonna lose your first martingale in the same time, because the time don't change. Because I recommend you to use the clock to not make this mistake. I will try to show you how to avoid that. Okay. And after that, right here, you can find all the currencies. All right. You just click on it and you can find, just type the pair. All right. On the right side, chart types, just change to candles. Use the time frame. I really recommend you to every signal, to every operation, change M5 to M1. Okay. Look at that, guys. I will try to make two operation. Oh, this is already changing. So they fixed this. Alright? They already fixed that. This is already changing. So it's okay. Very good. Very nice. Because I recommend you to use that, M5 to M1. Because you can avoid when it got this little candle inside of a trend. Because right here, we have a downtrend, okay? To avoid this green candle, you just change the chart to M1 and you can see if this will keep with the trend with a red candle, or the candle is try to get green one and keep going up. Okay? Because when we use a M5 chart, all candles will have 5 minutes. So inside of this one candle, we have another 5 candles with 1 minute. So you need to know that. Alright? Let me try find another example. This one here, we have an uptrend, okay? And this is try to create revert. Just take a look inside of this, and you can see that the candle is trying right now to start to keep going down, right? So this is for sure will create revert. If you click on the higher button, the probability to lose this one is very high. Okay, so the best option is to click on the lower button, because this will create a revert, and probably on the next candle you keep going up again, respecting the trend. So I recommend you to, before to make an operation, M5 to M1. Enable the timer. Don't forget to use that. This is the countdown right here. It's very good. Alright. Are we to out-trade and speak a trade during this live, or we should wait for the signals to drop to grow? Oh man, this is up to you, Joshua. As I said, I try to perform an entries on my live. You can follow this in the same time. with me on the lives, or you can just watch my live and wait for the signals on the group. All right? It's up to you. Okay? And right now, let me see. Oh, yeah. James Gaming. January. Yeah, January. So let's go, January. This is my indicators. All right. MACD, Bollinger Bands, Fractal, Zigzag, and two option moving average. As I said, I have a video on my YouTube channel that I only talk about my indicators. This one. Go to my channel on YouTube, alright? And this is the video. 1 hour and 5 minutes. I explain one by one of my indicators. But you're not obligated to use the same that I'm using. Alright? You need to use the best option for you. Oh, the James used this one, but I don't like that. I want to use the alligators. I don't want to use Bollinger Bands. But the Bollinger Bands you can use all the time. The alligator you need to use when you have a trigger. That is not for all times. You need to wait for the exact time to make this worth. Alright? As you can use the moving average. The moving average you cannot use always. You need to wait for the situations. When you have a trigger, when you have a crossing line. It's the same for a MACD. The MACD we need to wait for the crossing line. Alright? For example, right here, when I have the blue line crossing my orange line. The blue line is the MACD line and the orange one is the current price. When I have the blue line crossing up to down through my orange one, I have a downtrend. This is for sure, guys. You can click on the lower button. This is respect the trend. For this one, blue line down to up between my orange one. This is just click on the higher button. But look the period between them. It's take so long time. Look the histogram here. Look the histogram. This is this candle and that one. Look at that. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 1 hour, 105, 10, 15, right? 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. That means 1 hour and 40 after of my first crossing line. You don't wait for almost 2 hours to make another entry. It's not good, alright? But it's good to use all indicators together. Alright? Because pay attention on indicators that you're gonna use. Very good. So guys, if you have any question, any comments, just let me know. Send a message on Telegram. Alright? Click on pin the message or go to my support. You can send a message, send post on Telegram. Alright? Don't hesitate, guys. Thank you so much for today. Thank you so much for the attendance. Today was so amazing. Alright? Noted, sir. Thank you for all you do. I'm a big fan. Oh, thank you so much, Joshua. I really appreciate it. So is that, guys. Have a good day. Stay tuned on the group while you keep with the analysis and with the signals. And God bless you. Thank you so much. Bye bye.